Let's do this. Guess what day it is? Guess what day it is? It's Try It Tuesday, and for those of you that don't know, Tuesday is where we try new things. I'm coming to you in high definition. Ooh.
Hopefully.
Oh no, it looks pretty good. We got a new light, and we've got our normal lights that we've got set up, but we got one of those, I don't know what you call it, ring light, where it goes around the camera, so it gets me a lot more crisp and clear. So let me know, with that thumbs up button if I look a lot better. This Try It Tuesday. It's that time of the month, guys. For Universal Yums.
You just ruined it. Well, no, the title of the video.
Yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. We thought it was the United Kingdom last month, and
it is.
It is. Or Great Britain. Great Britain includes Ireland. United Kingdom does not. A little tidbit for you. England is a part of all both, but it's its own country too.
Something like that.
Yeah. Anyway, before I get into this box, make sure you check us out down below. All the exclusive stuff's down there. The likes, the shares, the comments. Uh-oh. The box is open.
They better not have been stealing our yums.
The seal is broken.
Do not eat if seal is broken.
So,
It looks okay though. I think it just like wore.
Yeah. Okay. So yay! United Kingdom. You got all the stuff on the plaque there. Yeah. And of course you get the little book that goes over everything. But before we get into the book and this month's box, we're going to do the clue, which I'm going to do right there. Oop. Do right there. Can you guys read that?
Read it to them.
I will in a second, but I'm letting them pause so they can see it. Next month, we're putting on smiles and hopping on boats to a place filled with temples and markets that float. There'll be lemongrass soup and hot, spicy curry, so stand by your mailbox and say, "Mailman, please hurry." So, Curry probably talks about India or Pakistan.
Yeah, I was thinking India.
So probably India. Putting on smiles and hopping on boats to a place filled with temples and markets that float. Temples and markets that float.
I think India. That's going to be my guess.
Markets that float could be any of the places that have boats, but temples, floating temples. I don't know. Lemongrass soup and hot spicy curry. Let us know what you guys think down below what next month's theme is, but this month is United Kingdom. So, just to qualify, for those that are new to Universal Yums, I have the Super Yum box, like the most expensive one you can get. It's $40. Gives you the most amount of snacks. And so, I want to say there's like 20 things in the box. Something like that. You want to count it up real quick?
Yeah, 20. It varies a little bit, but it's about 15 to 20-ish.
Let's separate some of these things out. Something definitely opened.
Yeah. Oh no.
Ooh.
Oh, I wanted to try those. I just saw them.
They're pretty spicy looking.
Oh, it's okay. They contain milk anyway. Well, that's disappointing.
Yeah. Hopefully they're okay to try. Got a lot of potato chips.
What doesn't kill you makes you stronger.
I'll be in the hospital. Oh man, it's got everywhere.
I think a chips exploded.
Yeah. Like everywhere.
Just leave some of that in there, I guess.
I gotta clean it off sometime anyway. Yeah, definitely got greasy everywhere too. Dude.
Not cool, man.
Really not cool. Because it got shit everywhere inside the box. And look at that. You guys see that? Well, you guys can't see all the crumbs, but see the explosion that happened inside my box. That's what she said. Alright, we'll get into the candy later.
It's all at the end, so.
Yeah. Okay, so first things first. The Mackeys of Scotland, ridge, sea salt, and cider vinegar. Ooh, that sounds really good. Potato chips. You guys can see that right there. Sounds really good. These you could have. I like Reggie. Dust it up.
They vinegary?
Not really. Maybe a little bit.
Yeah, they don't even really smell vinegary.
Those are pretty good though.
They're like thick cut.
Mm-hmm.
They're pretty thick.
So these got smushed. You guys can see how smushed the box got.
It's like
there.
someone sat on our box.
Yeah. Deans of Huntley shortbread, chocolate chip butter shortbread cookies.
Mmm.
Yeah, you can't have these.
I know, but mmm. They sound delightful.
Let's see. I'm skeptical.
Trust.
Okay. Let's see the little cookies. You guys can see that? Just tastes like shortbread. I don't get the chocolate chips at all.
Nothing special about them?
No.
But is it like a good shortbread?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay.
Kind of buttery. Ooh. This is thick too. Walker's non-such dreamy creamy. You guys see that right there?
Is it focusing pretty well?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's toffee. Whack, then unwrap and enjoy.
Jesus.
Hey, it softened it. Don't shit your pants.
I didn't process what you said right away. It's like it melted. I don't think it's supposed to be that.
Oh, shit.
It looks like a tongue. Ugh.
That's really good.
What do you mean?
It's just like caramel.
Yeah, it's not toffee. That is not what I would think toffee would be.
English toffee bar. Yeah. I don't know about that one. I mean, this one tastes really good. It tastes just like caramel. Or caramel. whatever you want to call it.
But not toffee. You don't think toffee when you...
No. Nope. So the next thing is Johnny's pickled onion rings. Made from corn. So these have milk in them too. So these look like Funyuns. Like English Funyuns.
But they're pickled onion.
Yeah. I don't know. You guys see that better? It's pretty shiny on there. You guys can kind of see it. Whoa!
Oh, they're tiny.
Yeah. Oh.
Do it.
They almost smell like feet, but they kind of remind me of like Burger King onion rings.
Ew.
You guys can see those. I don't know why I keep smelling them. They
Just
smell
eat
weird.
it. Does it hurt right here?
Woo! Small pearl onions soaked in salt, sugar, and vinegar have been a long British pub tradition.
Let me smell them. They kick you up the end.
Those are really vinegary and onion. Yeah.
I think they smell good. Like, I think I would like
They
those.
smell like feet,
No, they don't.
but they taste pretty good.
I think I would like those. Stop, stop. Just stop.
Woo-wee! Got a little funk to them.
A little bit.
Ooh, haggis. And
Oh.
cracked pepper.
Please
Potato
have milk
chips.
in it. Please have milk in it. Please have milk in it.
Nope. They have wheat in them. You'll like them. Haggis and cracked black pepper.
Isn't that like intestines and guts?
Mm-hmm. It smells like Slim Jims.
Ew.
You guys can see that. Ooh, super close up. It's got a beef flavoring. It's like Slim Jim flavored chips. Which you think would be a good thing? Not my favorite. Not bad. Just not my favorite.
No.
We'll stick those in here.
No.
Gotta eat other things just to get rid of it. Don't eat all that shit. She looks so defeated behind the camera.
It's so gross. Ugh.
Are you gonna barf?
Nope.
Are you sure?
Yep.
Okay, Lamaze it out. Breathe.
I'm good.
Okay, let's take a break real quick. Oh my god. She almost barfed. Okay, next thing are wagon wheels. Jammie? Wagon wheel Jammie. Chocolate covered marshmallow cookies with raspberry jam. Ooh, that sounds right up my alley.
Ooh.
Is that milk in them?
Yeah, I have a feeling I'm only going to be able to try the nasty chips and the salt and vinegar chips.
Oh, they're like chocolate covered.
You literally just said chocolate covered.
You know what? I don't always pay attention to what I read. Because I thought it was going to be like a moon pie. Which are also chocolate covered.
Yeah.
You shut your face.
He doesn't like it.
I don't think I like the jam component.
Well, I don't know if you've gotten really the jam yet.
I taste something. Oh no, what's in there? Look my shit.
Yeah, it's just like a thin layer in there. You don't like the raspberry?
It's not bad. Probably not something I'll eat again though.
Not as good as you wanted it to be.
Right.
Gotcha.
Okay. Some weird ass flavors.
No, that's a very British flavor.
Bristows of Devon rhubarb and custard bonbons. See those? Yeah, you can have these.
Yeah.
They seem really hard though.
They say they're chewy.
I realize that. But they also seem like very, very hard.
I'm always jealous of all the rhubarb flavor things they have over there.
She got psyched out.
Yeah.
She's like so sad, like, but
You were handing it to me. Give it to me.
just take it. I'm trying to get a close up for them. And she's like trying to steal it out of my hand. There you go. Oh.
They're a little hard, but...
Not really. They're like now and laters.
It's like high chews or now and later.
Those are good.
I don't get rhubarb.
I don't get custard.
They're good. I'd eat those again. You get like a little bit of a fruity flavor at the end.
They're pretty good.
I approve.
We got more Mackeys of Scotland. Mature cheddar and onion potato chips.
Mature cheddar.
Well, you gotta have mature because, you know, like with Cheez-Its, they let their cheese mature.
Yeah. These aren't Cheez-Its.
They can't have adolescent cheddar. It's gotta be mature cheddar.
They're potato crisps. They don't call them chips. They're crisps.
Those are really good.
Like a good cheese and onion.
Yeah. I mean, they're a little in your face.
Little twangy cheese.
But I kind of like that. Those are really good.
Okay.
Heck yeah. I like those. Alright. Toffee pops. Toffee filled biscuit with chocolate flavored coating. You guys can see those right there.
Ooh, melted.
Oh, jeez, man. You're no kidding. And it's not like these sat out in the sun either.
No, it's just on the back of a hot truck, though.
Yeah. It was really melted. Those are really good.
Who cares if they're melted?
So, okay. The toffee in this is consistent with the toffee I had earlier.
So toffee is caramel.
Mm-hmm.
You know?
Those are really good. Those would be good with like coffee or something. Probably drink them with tea. Prawn cocktail flavored swirl potato sacks. They're suitable for vegetarians but not vegans.
No, they have milk in them.
Because they have milk in them.
A lot of different, like the last box had twirly things like that too, that same shape.
Yeah.
They're prawn flavored.
Mm-hmm. Which equates to shrimp, but they don't taste like shrimp.
You just also had chocolate.
No. Oh, it's got a lot more flavoring on them.
Yeah, try that one.
I don't get seafood at all, but they're not bad.
They smell like seafood?
No.
Light
smell like
prawn
potatoes.
flavoring.
They're pretty good.
Hope you keep eating them. How are they suitable for vegetarian? Oh, I guess. But it's.
Milk is not a vegetarian thing. Or it is a vegetarian thing. It's not a vegan
Yeah,
thing.
but shrimp is an animal. But then maybe it doesn't actually have shrimp flavoring in it, which is why it doesn't taste like shrimp.
It doesn't have shrimp flavoring in it. Not one ingredient says shrimp in it. Or shrimp flavoring. It says natural and artificial flavorings.
So it's fake.
Yeah. Okay. Coconut, Stockley's Raspberry Coconut Ice. Coconut fondant candy with raspberry.
You got your spit cup. You're fine.
Get like a little piece.
And they're all the same size.
Those big ass pieces of nastiness is what they are. You guys can see that.
You like some coconut things.
Come on, don't focus on my fingers. Focus on that. There you go. It almost looks like a salt lick.
Quite the series of emotions there.
Reminds me of eating an air freshener.
Can I try them?
Yeah.
Do you want me to eat that other half of that piece?
Yeah. It's very sweet.
It's not that good.
No.
I don't get air freshener, but
I don't know if I should eat these.
you're fine. You went towards the bottom.
Scotch bonnet chips, which are supposed to be pretty hot. It's got a whole lot of flavor on them. Got a little bit of heat.
Not that much though.
No. Spicy people, aficionados would like those though.
Okay.
They're not bad.
Okay. Those look funny.
Suitable for vegetarians again. And they have milk. It's got sour cream in it.
Yeah.
Jalapeno and sour cream bites.
Weird little rings.
Very odd that they would have jalapeno flavored stuff in Great Britain.
Yeah.
Or UK.
These like cookies and stuff, I get that, but not
They're like...
Yeah, you, like bugles here. You can pop them on your fingers.
I think he would really like these. Because it gives you the taste of a jalapeno, like that kind of hot flavor. And not really any of the heat. She's very sad behind the camera. These are good though. See? Close them up.
Oh, I know. It's not worth it.
Alright. Walker's No Such Brazil Nut Toffee. Toffee bar with Brazil nuts.
It says made with whole milk and butter.
And Brazil nuts. You guys can see that. Oh my gosh. Excuse me.
What?
I like plastic in it. Like little plastic cups, but...
Well, it says to hit it again. Maybe just...
This stuff like got melted.
That's what I'm saying, yeah.
I don't let myself there.
Whack yourself in the face. Oh, shoot. Careful. Use those muscles. Same kind of toffee as the other stuff. It all looks kind of the same.
It's good with those nuts in it.
I like Brazil nuts.
What?
You almost smacked yourself in the face.
I came real close.
Oh.
Jammie Dodgers original butter cookies with raspberry apple jam. There we go. You see those? Yeah.
A little heart cut out.
They're a little dry.
That's why you eat them with tea.
But they're pretty darn good. I like those. You can't have those.
I don't like this UK box. I like your nasty Slim Jim flavored potato chips and a nasty raspberry bar.
Alright, let's take a break so I can calm her down. Okay.
Does that look better?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, so now we're getting into the candy bag section of this. So the first thing that we have are these little guys, which look like little caramels.
But I bet it's called toffee.
Salted caramel fudge.
Oh.
Soft caramel fudge with salt. Milk, 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 milk. It's like 7 milk ingredients.
Probably pretty good.
Oh man. I thought that was going to be hard.
It just melts in your mouth.
It does.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
We got a whole bunch of them.
Dangerous. Oh, it exploded. Alright. This one is Walker's No Such Treacle Toffee. Chewy toffees with treacle.
What's treacle?
I have no idea. Come on. Figure it out. Oh my god. There it goes.
It's hot out today, and it was the back of a FedEx truck or UPS truck.
Yeah, it looked like it pooped in the wrapper.
Lovely. Tell you what treacle is.
It's like molasses.
It's like tree sap.
Mm-hmm.
I thought that's what that was. It's chewy.
Tastes almost like a molasses too.
Okay.
It's part of the sugar refinement process.
Okay.
A byproduct of that. So the next thing is Kerr Royal Chews. Blackcurrant and champagne flavored candies. Contains no alcohol. These you can actually try.
It's like, it contains no alcohol, but it has milk in it. No.
They're pretty soft. Very blackcurranty.
Okay.
Man, they like chewy candy there.
Well, they stopped doing as many hard candies. So that's why they're giving us chewier candies. That was pretty good. It's sour.
No, it's not. Blackcurrants are kind of tangy, but
Or tangy.
yeah. So these are Stockley's chocolate limes. Lime candies filled with chocolate.
Interesting combo.
Mm-hmm. These look hard though.
Bet they got a soft, chewy center.
They're limey.
You can have one?
Mm-hmm. Those are tart.
Oh yeah, they are.
I don't taste the chocolate though.
Kind of tastes like floor cleaner.
Yeah. That's kind of what I was thinking.
I tasted chocolate. It tastes like you dipped a Tootsie Roll in floor cleaner.
They're very strong.
Yeah. I think it's just the pink ones, the pink tipped ones, but I don't know which one you tried before.
I think a white one. They're both white.
Well, on here it shows pink. The last, oh no, it doesn't.
Sparkling wine flavored fudge, prosecco fudge. I guess we'll try this one because it doesn't have. I don't have any other colors besides
Yeah, so you tried a white one before.
white and pink.
But this looks more like fudge, so I don't know. Is it different?
You can't tell because of that stupid lime candy.
Yeah. It wasn't bad though.
It was the same consistency as the other caramel.
Okay.
Maybe a little fruity.
Okay.
I can't tell with these lime things,
Yeah.
man. It's like literally I just dip my tongue in like Lysol. Or lemon pledge. Lime pledge.
Nasty.
Yeah.
All right.
That's it though.
So, what was the best yum?
Probably the little toffee pops.
Okay.
Probably my favorite.
Runner up.
One of the other toffees that I had.
The stick one. That was just a plain toffee. And then there was toffee with Brazil nuts.
Probably the toffee with the Brazil nuts. That's pretty good.
Okay. Worst yum.
The lime one.
Most unusual.
Ooh.
Pickled onion
The
rings.
pickled onions.
They were interesting. Stop smelling it.
Oh! They smell worse the second time round.
So what's your overall thought on this box?
It could have been a lot better. They had some high notes, but I think it suffered because it melted a lot. I mean, they really might rethink their packaging to have some kind of like thermal layer or something to kind of insulate them a little bit better if they're going to ship chocolates and stuff.
Well, they usually try not to do chocolate in the summer, but it's still summer down here in Texas, so
Yeah.
it's still melty time.
Hopefully you guys fared a lot better with your boxes. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think was your favorite yum, worst yum, whatever you guys think. Final thoughts?
I couldn't really taste that much, so I don't like the UK box.
Gonna be all snarky, huh?
No,
All snotty.
I liked the little rhubarb and cream or custard things. Those are pretty good.
Yeah, the bonbons were good.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah, I got weird tastes. I got all sorts of weird stuff going on in my mouth here. That's what she said. Anyway, if you like this video, guys, hit that thumbs up button. If you have any questions or comments, down below is where you do it. Feel free to share this video so you see fit. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe. And until then, have a nice day.